Parliament stepped up efforts to help boost Ukraine's economy as MEPs endorsed a proposal to remove 98% of custom duties. That would save exporters and manufacturers €487 million a year. At a time when Russia is blocking Ukrainian imports, the help couldn't come fast enough. But for the MEP who drafted the report, Ukraine will quickly need to sign up to a free trade agreement with the EU once these temporary measures of assistance run out.
These measures, which are voted today, are temporary measures. They should last not longer than until the 1st of November. Why? Because we expect that after the presidential elections in Ukraine in May, in June, we will be able to sign this association agreement.
It's hoped that revising the rules on clinical trials will cut the red tape and put an end to the trend that has seen trials outsourced to China and Asia. One of the main changes is that academics and big pharmaceuticals will have to upload the results of all trials onto a public database.
But we've made it clear that once they've asked for market authorisation for a medicine, it's no longer commercially confidential. That means that we'll get the details of all trials published, whether they're successful or whether they're not successful. And that's really important for good medicine, and it's good for people's trust in medicine as well.
It's become the norm to use debit or credit cards to make online payments for goods or services. Cashless transactions are fast and easy but costly, and fees vary across member states. With elections around the corner, another dossier that's been pushed through before the end of the parliamentary term will cap credit card fees to 0.3% and debit card transactions to 0.2%.
It was always a good deal between, well, more or less the two credit card companies, MasterCard, Visa, and the banks. So those were the two deciding on those fees. So they were far higher than needed. So of course the banks will now have less of an income on that side, but it was an income that was paid by all the consumers who had no clue they were paying for it.
The new rules could save retailers €10 billion a year in fees from banks.